Hey y'all, so I wanted to show y'all this skillet meal beef lo mein bird eye bread that my mom told me was really good. I'm about to try it for the first time. I'm about to show y'all what it looks like after it's cooked. So this is what it looks like after you warm it up. I'm about to go ahead and put some in my bowl and try it, and then I'm gonna give y'all like a little review to tell y'all how it tastes to see if it's really good. All right, I'm gonna come right back. Okay, so I got it in a bowl. I'm about to try it out, and I'm gonna rate it for y'all and see how it tastes. Let me pray over it real quick. Okay, let's see, y'all. I don't want to burn my mouth. It's just fresh out the pot. Fresh out the pan. It's not bad. It got all the veggies. It's got, look like carrots, onion, and some like greenery up in here. I'm not sure what the greenery is. I didn't look on the bag and really read it. But it tastes pretty good. This ain't bad, y'all. I'm gonna give it, I feel like maybe a 7 out of 10. It's not bad at all. All right, y'all, I just wanted to show you that I'm about to go ahead and eat this food and get off this phone for the night. Bye.